It's been very helpful just getting a lot of meetings that have put me in direct discussion with a lot of potential customers. It's been really increasing the number of kind of warm leads and good connections. We started using FiveRings at a time when we were really trying to figure out how sort of some of the details of our product and getting a lot of the meetings with like potential customers and really strong leads. It helped us to figure that out, and then helped us to start closing some of those leads, and that was definitely a big step forward for the business. I have recommended it and continue to the kind of task that FiveRings does a good job with is a kind of tedious but necessary task. So the ability to have another company that can kind of give it good attention and do a good job with it is really helpful. FiveRings is thorough and got good process to try and kind of systematize and push these kind of tedious tasks forward and but not so much systematic process that it kind of negatively impacts the sort of personalization you need on the end where they're really interfacing with customers. So yeah, good mix of kind of systems and process to get a lot done, but then also a good amount of sort of thoughtful personalization that make it work really well.